In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to customize the Create List form in HubSpot by adding and using custom properties. This is incredibly useful if you want more control over how you segment your contacts, companies, deals, or tickets. Whether you're building targeted marketing campaigns or organizing your CRM more efficiently, custom properties are the key. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple HubSpot tutorials. Let's jump right in. The first thing we need to do is create or customize the properties that will appear inside your list filters. To do that, log into your HubSpot account and go to the top right corner of the screen. Click on Settings. Once you're inside the Settings area, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Properties. Now you'll need to choose which object you want to customize. HubSpot allows you to create properties for different objects, such as contacts, companies, deals, or tickets. So think about where you actually want this field to appear. If you're building a contact list, choose Contacts. If it's for sales tracking, you might choose Deals. Select the object that matches your goal. Once you're inside the correct object's property settings, go to the top right and click Create Property. This is where we'll define the new field that will later appear in your list filters. You'll now need to fill in a few important details. First, confirm the object, which should already be selected based on where you started. Next, choose a group. Groups help you organize your properties internally, so pick an existing group or create a new one if you want to keep things structured. Then enter the label. This is the name of your property, and this is exactly how it will appear inside your list builder. Make it clear and easy to understand. For example, you might name it Lead Source Detail, Customer Tier, or Subscription Type. Next, choose the field type. This is very important because it determines how the data can be used. You can select from options like single-line text, drop-down select, multiple checkboxes, number, date picker, and more. If you want predefined options, choose a drop-down. If you want flexible answers, choose text. Pick the type that best matches how you plan to filter your list later. One important thing to note is that calculation or formula fields are not available if you're on HubSpot's free plan, so if you don't see those options, that's completely normal. Once everything looks good, click Create, and that's it. Your new custom property is now saved and ready to be used as a filter when building lists. Now let's actually use this custom property when creating a list. Go back to your main dashboard, then navigate to Contacts and click on Lists. Once you're inside the List section, click Create List. Choose whether you want an active list or a static list depending on your use case. After that, you'll be taken to the List Builder screen. Under the Filter search bar, type the name of the custom property you just created. You should see it appear in the drop-down results. Click on it to add it as a filter. Now you can define the criteria. For example, if it's a drop-down field, you can select one or multiple values. If it's a text field, you can set conditions like contains, is equal to, or is known. Configure the filter exactly how you want your list segmented. You can also click Add Filter to include additional conditions. HubSpot allows you to combine filters using AND or logic. AND means contacts must meet all conditions, or means they only need to meet one of the conditions. This gives you powerful control over how specific or broad the list becomes. Once your filters are set up, review the list size on the left side to make sure it matches your expectations. Then click Save, give your list a clear name, and you're done. And that's how you customize the Create List form in HubSpot, by adding and using custom properties. It only takes a few minutes, but it gives you much more flexibility when segmenting your CRM data. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tips and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.